I am AI Avatar of CA Ratan Mundra. The Reserve Bank of India has issued the Responsible Business Conduct Directions 2025 for small finance banks. The main focus of these guidelines is better customer service, transparency, fair practices, and customer protection. In this video, we will explain in simple terms what changes these new directions bring for banks and how they benefit customers. These directions apply only to small finance banks. RBI's objective is that banks should not focus only on profit, but also on customer interest, fair conduct, and responsible banking practices. RBI has clearly stated that the board of directors of the bank holds the highest responsibility. The board must approve and regularly review policies related to customer service, lending practices, charges, and grievance redressal. Customer service is no longer optional. It is a top-level responsibility. Every bank is required to form customer service committees, both at the branch level and at the board level. This ensures that customer complaints, suggestions, and issues are regularly reviewed and resolved. Banks must provide basic facilities at their branches, such as seating arrangements, drinking water, and help counters. Special attention must be given to senior citizens, persons with disabilities, and rural customers. Banking communication should be available in Hindi, English, and regional languages. Banks must clearly display important information at their branches and on their websites such as interest rates, service charges, policies, and service timelines. This ensures that customers are aware in advance of the charges applicable to each service. If an unauthorized electronic transaction occurs in a customer's account, RBI has defined clear rules on when the customer will have zero liability and when limited liability will apply. Banks must act quickly on complaints, credit the amount promptly, and ensure that customers do not suffer unnecessary financial loss. Banks are allowed to charge only reasonable and pre-disclosed fees. For loan products, providing a key fact statement is mandatory, so customers clearly understand interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. RBI's focus is on financial inclusion. Basic savings bank deposit accounts must be made available without minimum balance requirements. Providing special facilities for senior citizens, visually impaired customers, and persons with disabilities is mandatory for banks. Overall, these RBI directions deliver a clear message. Banking is not just about business, it is also about responsibility. Customer protection, transparency, and fairness are now mandatory for small finance banks. These rules will make the banking system more secure, inclusive, and customer-friendly. Moonsys and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence. A pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling complaints, risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance finance company, foreign university BATF, and ancillary regulations. And FinTech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA, comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.